Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Regardless of the treatment, once you're diagnosed with diabetes, diet becomes very important. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
According to nutritionist Dr. Joy Callender, 80% of persons who have been diagnosed with diabetes are overweight. They can lose between 5 to 10 pounds by eating a well-balanced diet.
The underlying issue with diabetes is insulin resistance and weight loss, and increasing exercise or physical activity makes the person less insulin resistant, and therefore is important for the management and control of blood sugar. And it's not just blood sugar that's important, that's number one. But we want good blood pressure control, we want good cholesterol control.
Dr. Callender recommends specific foods for diabetics.
So when we talk about whole grains, that's like brown rice, whole wheat bread. When we talk about grown provisions, your sweet potato, your green bananas, those kinds of foods, they have more fiber. That does a number of things. Number one, you feel satisfied longer when you have a higher fiber diet, and you control that blood sugar spike when you eat carbohydrate foods.
Portion control is critical, but diabetics should also avoid certain foods.
You want to avoid deep fried foods, fried in the wrong kinds of oils. The concentrated source of sugar which are in the diet that most people don't pay a lot of attention to. But if you're diagnosed with diabetes, you need to start choosing your snacks carefully, how much fruits you have, how much juice you have, avoiding empty calories, and focusing on whole, unprocessed foods as much as you can.
With her health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.